ससन येयला फ्रॉम म्हाका स्पोर्ट्स क्लब सेबेस्टियन स्पोर्ट्स क्लब.
ओके.
आनी हो टुर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज केल्लो साळगारा स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान. आनी ग्रावंडाची कंडिशन खूब बरी आसली. गेम मातशी वयर सकयल जाली, रफ आसली आमचे कडेन तेंचे कडेन. आपूण एट द एंड वी ऑल एन्जॉयड. दॅट वॉज द एम. मागीर आमी हारली पेनल्टीजान.
तुम कोणाको खेळ्ळे? कार्मोना?
हय, कार्मोना क्लब.
ओके.
गेम डिफिकल्ट आसली मातशी. आपूण मिस्टेक जाल्ली आमचे कडेन आनी आमी हारले. मागीर ऑर्गनायजेशन सगळे बरें आसले, रेफ्सूय बरें आसले, गूड डिसिजन मेकींग आसली तेंची. मागीर टायमूय चड आसलो, बेगीन आसलो, ते सगळें आसलें बरें. ओवरऑल इट वॉज गूड.
And the full-time score and
Okay, so we did not score. It went to penalties and the score was
4-3. 4-3.
4-3 to them winning.
How was your experience coming here in Sazora?
It was good. The ride was tiring, but at the end it was really good coming here. And then I really enjoyed playing here. I really enjoyed playing here because the ground condition was also good. Then players were also good, understanding. They did not fight and also overall it was very good.
Thank you.